Here at Stanley Gibbons Auctions, we have been holding regular public auctions since 1901, and with almost 6,000 sales under our belt, we'd like to think that we know what we're doing. And of course, to bid in the Stanley Gibbons Auctions, there are two very easy ways in which to do it. One is very simple. You can bid online. You can register to bid online through our auctions portal, which is found on our website, where you'll find, amongst other things, you'll find the current sale, a PDF of the catalogue, and easy instructions on how to bid and how to even watch the sale online on the date of the sale. The more traditional way, which is how you often see it on TV and other forms of media, is to bid in the room. But bidding in the room can seem quite a daunting prospect, particularly with all the activity that's going on. But at Stanley Gibbons, we're here to help and assist all our prospective bidders in our current sale. So of course, if you're registering to bid in the room, you simply come into the office, and where you'll be greeted by someone from the auction department, where they will have to fill out a registration form, and you will be gifted temporarily one of these, an auction paddle. And this is, of course, the Stanley Gibbons auction paddle, and the number 42 is your paddle number. This is who you are now in the auction room. So when your lot comes up that you wish to bid on, you simply make a broad gesture to notify the auctioneer that you're wishing to bid. But again, it's easier said than done. So immediately when you enter the auction room, you'll see this layout. You'll see at the front of the auction room, you'll see the rostrum, which is where the auctioneer stands and brandishes his gavel. Next to him will be the clerks. Then immediately in front of the auctioneer, you'll have the auction agent. He's operating on behalf of dealers and collectors who can't be present that day. And then to the right of him, you'll have the phone bidding, where people can telephone bid, and one of us from the auction department will bid on their behalf for them. And then you have the rows of chairs where the other members of the auction audience sit in the sale room, and you can simply take one of these chairs, and often in the catalogue we put in a time range, so we know, so lots 1 to 300 are before lunchtime, and then after lunchtime 300 to whenever the end of the sale is it gives you a good guide on how to work. So when your lot comes up, again, as we said earlier, you make a firm gesture, and you don't necessarily have to use the paddle. You can use a pen, you can hold your hand up, as long as the auctioneer knows that you wish to bid. That is the most important thing, a definitive, strong gesture. And if you are successful and the lot is hammered to you, the auctioneer will look to the room to ask who was the bidder number, and you can hold up your paddle and say, oh, he can see that was bidder 42, or you can say bidder 42, and so they know who you are. And again, it keeps the whole thing very simple, and also the most important thing about using numbers, it keeps everything anonymous. So I hope that's given you a few pointers on how to bid in Stanley Gibbons auctions. Again, it's easier than you think. It's very simple, whether you wish to do it online or even in the room. And more details of what I've said can be found online on our website. And also, if you're more interested in bidding in our auctions, you can email us directly at auctions@stanleygibbons.com. We hope to see you in our sale room in the future.